Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to talk about the comments in Python. Guys, comments are very important to be added in the Python code, and there are two main reasons for that. The first, it makes your code talkative. So, what is mean by that? It means that if somebody else is looking at your code and you added the comments, so it would be easy for the other readers and viewers to read and to look at your code, that what the code is about. So if you add comments side by side along with your code writing, it would be easy to understand your code. The other important thing about comments is that if you write a code and later on you don't need that code, so you can simply comment your code, and in later stages you can reuse that code. You will not need to rewrite the code again and again, and you can simply remove the hashtag and you will remove the comments. Guys, for adding a comment, we write a hash and then write the comment. For example, if you see in the above code, this is hello world for Python 3 in Jupyter Notebook, and the hash sign is to make this line a comment. So I'm going to print a program, a short program, which is about the hello world, and before that I have written a comment which is shown to you in a green text color. So this is all about the comments. This is for the single line comment. For adding comments that are more than one line, you can use three asterisk and then write the comments and then again end the comments with